Okay, so today's class is on Heroku, and we have been using localhost. So Heroku is a website, so it'll be something dot herokuapplication.com. So the local is always 127, and 5,000 is for the Flask, and 3,000 is for the JavaScript, the node lah. So now we are doing the cloud, the web, the actual web. Okay. Now, so first of all, you need to use Git because Heroku is using Git. So you're pushing to Heroku's Git. Okay. And of course, you need the Heroku to download the Heroku app as well. Then you also need to go to Heroku Cloud to create an account. So in order to know whether your app is here, so quite easy. So you go to your command prompt, you type Heroku. If you have install finish, this will be the message coming out for Heroku. Okay. So, so the first thing is that we make a directory for Heroku. Let me see. So in my file, there's a Heroku here. Heroku here. Heroku. It's called cloud computing. So what I do is that from this Heroku, so I'm just going to create one more directory. So let me remove the previous one. Okay, it's okay. So I just create a new one. New, and I just call it today's date 03062021. Okay, so this will be the directory that I'll be operating on, and go to CD there and then git init to make sure that this is the, so this will be the git depository. So you do a git bash here. So now you're in this directory and you want to just put git init to make sure that this is the master. Okay, so this is the git depository here. Then of course you need a node. So in order to run the node, first of all, you must have the file name. Later, we're going to put the file name. So let's put npm.init. So the npm is like pip install -y. So after that, we have pip install npm. Sorry, here npm install express. So express is like Flask. Okay, so this is the one that we have. Okay, sorry, pip install express. Let me pause for a while to make sure I can install first. Oh, okay, done. So then after that, I need this file, which is the node in node, so a file name.js. So I prepared this and I just copy over. So, or you can just type it. So it's under one of the directory. So it's called basic local. So if you look at this file, it look exactly like what we have here. Sorry, let me open it with Notepad. Okay, so this file will be exactly like what we have in this. Okay, you can just type it. Okay, so for simplicity, so I just copy and paste here. Then after that, I need to run to make sure it works. So how to run it? So I just dir to make sure that the file is there. So this is the basic Heroku.js, right? So I just type node basic Heroku.js. So server started. So if I go to the localhost 3000, not 5000, 3000, I should be able to see hello world, which is reflected in the code hello world. So here, this is the one hello world. So I'm using H1 for those who are familiar with HTML. And now the JSON package.json need to modify a bit to let the Heroku know that which file to start. Okay, so you need to put here as start, then after that colon, then this is the one that you wanted, and it's called node. Okay, so you tell him is node, and then after that space basic something, right? The file name should be basic Heroku. No need the .js, so you just start it. Okay, basic Heroku. Let me triple confirm. It's called basic Heroku, correct? So this is the file name. So this is the JSON file that you need to tell the system to run this file first, basic Heroku. Okay. So now this is the one that you want to make sure that none other than the the source code is uploaded. Else you upload quite a lot of file, right? So what you need to do is you just echo and then node modules slash, okay, and then go to dot git ignore. So this is to tell the code that ignore everything except the source code. Okay, so just triple confirm echo node module got dig in git ignore. Okay, so now, so first you need to create this directory, this so-called repository. Oh, sorry, it's called commit. It's commit. So you want to make sure that git commit /m, and then so this is just called first time, right? For most of you. So now the last thing is that before you need to go to upload to Heroku, you make sure that it's logged in. So you just type Heroku login. It's on from the other terminal. So for me, I already logged in, so it's no issue. So you just log in. Okay. So okay, log in. So now Heroku login. And then the last one is Heroku create. So you need to create a directory, but do it in the bash. Okay. So Heroku create this create TT, so put into 05062021. So this must be unique. Okay, so successful. Then the last one is you need to push it. Okay, and it's called git push the Heroku, and then you want to push what? Push all the file in the master, but only the source code. So now you're uploading to Heroku, and later it will give you a directory, sorry, a link that you can run, and then we can use browser to read it. Okay, so this is the one we got it. Okay, HTTPS Heroku, the link plus the Heroku app. So now let's try here. So you should be able to see hello world if nothing wrong. Yes. Okay. Finally, we are done for the day. And thank you for watching. And I'm going to stop the recording.